It's time for another few minutes of design, and this time we're looking at the odd one out.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut, and welcome to another episode of A Few Minutes of Design. This one is the odd one out. Decide which object on the other side of this card you think is the odd one out, and say why. There are no right or wrong answers, but you need thoughtful reasons based on what you can see in the pictures. Okay, awesome. Well, let's have a little bit of a look and then explain. Here we have an umbrella, a pair of boots, and a raincoat. So which one would be the odd one out here? So if we had the umbrella, that's quite unique because that itself is used in the hands, whereas the jacket and the boot are used on different parts of the body, but that would make them all unique. So each of them are used as weather protection. That also is another similarity. We had our Mac here, or raincoat, for those who prefer that. Just quickly drawing out so I can make some notes. And we got a pair of welly boots. They're in a puddle. So which of these is the odd one out then? Well, these two are items of clothing, whereas the umbrella is not. However, they are all about protecting yourselves from the weather and from rain and things like that. They all keep you dry. The boots could be the odd one out because they're the only thing that comes in a pair. Everything else is a single item. These both have colours. Colourful. One's bright yellow, the other's got lots of colours on it. Whereas the boots are just black. That's another reason that this could be the odd one out. Is that about it? I don't know if that's about it. You could go even deeper down into it and say that obviously the Mac's made of soft material, and so is the umbrella, but the boots are made of rubber, so it's not, pliable. You could even say that the boots are the only one that have rubber in it, or the umbrella and the coat both have plastic. You could also say the umbrella has a single purpose. It keeps the rain off you, but a coat also stops you getting cold, and the boots also stop your feet getting cold. I think for me, the odd one out is going to have to be the umbrella, because it's the only one which isn't an item of clothing. It's also the only one that's multicolored, and it's also the only one that is a tool, and the others are just clothes. So I think for me, the odd one out is the umbrella. I don't know why my reasoning is that. It's just that's to me what stands out. And this was a really quick episode. I hope there's not too many of those, although having said that, it looks like the next one in this series is another odd one out. So I think what I'll do is I'll just slide that somewhere into the middle so the next episode isn't exactly the same. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time on another episode of TipTut and another episode of A Few Minutes of Design.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.